Hi guys, our dessert for today is sticky date and toffee pudding. First, we're going to make our sauce. 300 grams double cream, 100 grams butter, 200 grams brown sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and bring everything to boil just like this. Keep on stirring from time to time, and then keep it aside for later use. Sticky date and toffee pudding. I've got my ingredients here: 900 grams plain flour, 500 grams brown sugar, 900 grams chopped dates, 12 whole eggs, 1 liter milk, vanilla essence, unsalted butter, that's 500 grams, and baking powder, gastronome dish, greaseproof paper. Bring the milk to boil, add in the sugar, chopped dates, and stir from time to time. Add in 4 tablespoons of baking powder, stir nicely until it's incorporated, and then let it cool and keep it aside. In the meantime, we're going to crack our eggs. And sieve our flour. Add in a few drops of vanilla essence into the mix, 4 tablespoons to be precise. Then melted butter, and grab yourself a hand mixer and mix a little bit like this. At this point, we're going to add in the eggs and put in the flour bit by bit, just like this. And your mixture should look like this. Get a gastronome dish lined with baking paper and put in all the mixture, and we're going to bake it in the oven for about 170 degrees for 40 minutes. When our pudding is ready, we can remove it from the oven and put it on the table. Use a toothpick just to prick on top like this. And we're going to pour our sauce on top. Look at this nicely glazed sticky toffee pudding. You can do this at home.